There's a lot of pool robots out there on the market, and they promise almost the exact same thing, which is give you better suction, smarter navigation, and easier maintenance. But at the end of the day, they still require you to pull them out of the water, get the filter, rinse it out, and then deal with the debris every single time. Welcome back to a brand new video. My name is Santi, and this is the brand new Beatbot AquaSense X. It's completely different. This is the Beatbot AquaSense X, and it's completely different because it doesn't just clean your pool, because it cleans your pool and then it cleans itself.
All right, guys, if you want to pair your AquaSense, it's very simple. You have to do is download the app, the Beatbot, and then just go ahead and put the plus to scan the QR code. This is already the Wi-Fi. Connect, and it tells us both to hold it. And once it starts flashing blue, like that, and then it says that is the flashing is done, connect to hotspot, join, and now I just begin setting up everything. And just like that, the connection is successful. And to pair the station with the robot, you have to press the standard button, and over here, the self-cleaning for 3 seconds, and it should be good. Pairing completed. It's already set up. Once you go in, there's a new firmware update, which is good. Go ahead and turn on the auto updates, and let's go ahead and update it.
And the AquaSense X is Beatbot's flagship AI-powered robotic pool cleaner, but this isn't just a robot, it's a complete cleaning system made up of the AquaSense X robot and then the AstroRinse self-cleaning station. And the slogan says it all: cleans the pool, then it cleans itself. And this system combines two major breakthroughs: the world's first hands-free automatic filter cleaning station and an AI-powered pool robot using the hybrid sense vision technology. Together, they're designed to eliminate most of the annoying part that pool robots have, which is maintenance. Let's start with the station because this is where things get serious. After a cleaning cycle, you dock the robot, and that's it. The AstroRinse station automatically activates the rotating high-pressure nozzle that backflushes the robot's filter, and then it sprays, rinses, and empties the debris into a massive 22-liter debris bin, and all in about 3 minutes.
This is the spray nozzle that's going to go inside of the robot so we can clean the filter, and then the leaves and the debris from the filter is going to be dumped inside of here where we have the bin is going to pick up everything that this is going to drop. So go ahead and put self-cleaning, just press one time. Now let's go ahead and check the bin. We open up.
Filter basket not installed.
Look at that. That's all the debris. We have sand, we have dirt, we have leaves, we have wood. We have a lot of debris. As far as the setup, this is connected to your water hose system at home. This is what's going to be the water source so it can wash itself. And this big hose is going to be for the drainage that is going to be connected here at the bottom. The fresh water is here, and then the drainage is going to be at the bottom.
In that 22-liter capacity, it can hold over 3,000 leaves, allowing 2 months of operation without emptying under normal conditions, and even uses a disposable dust bag, so when it finally is time to empty it, you just remove it and replace it. It's very clean and very simple. So if you ever owned a pool robot before, you know this is a real upgrade. Now let's go ahead and talk intelligence, because the AquaSense uses the hybrid sense AI vision, combining the AI camera, ultrasonic sensors, infrared sensors, and it can detect and classify up to 40 different types of debris, including leaves, seeds, insects, fruits, and even clustered debris patterns. So that means it doesn't just randomly vacuum, it can actually identify debris and adjust the cleaning path. And there are also intelligent cleaning modes like AI cruise detection, and after finish and main pass, it goes back and retargets the missed debris. An AI quick mode, which skips the full coverage and focuses only on visible debris, finishing up to 50% faster. Then you have AI night cleaning, a dual 1500 lux LED light that allows the precise cleaning in low light or nighttime conditions. And that right there is the difference between automation and intelligence. Now, most robots clean either the floor or maybe the walls, and the AquaSense handles the water surface skimming, waterline scrubbing, dual pass, wall climbing, even curved walls, floor cleaning, tanning ledges, and even water clarification. and it uses 11 motors and a submarine propulsion system that adjusts the buoyancy to move from floating to diving seamlessly. And it transitions between zones without you doing anything. And if you have a multi-level platform or shallow entries, it can detect and memorize up to 4 elevated platforms, navigate them, and after the main cycle, it can clean them autonomously. And that's something that traditional cleaners just simply miss. Now, there is another layer that most people don't expect. The AquaSense X automatically dispenses the included Aqua Refine 3-in-1 clarifying agent while it cleans. And this formula removes the fine debris and dead algae. It helps prevent the scaling and corrosion, eliminates the harmful metals, ions like iron and copper, and is eco-friendly and is skin safe. And last but not least, it distributes automatically as the robot moves. So there's no manual mixing, no waiting, no guesswork, and it treats up to 99,000 gallons per kit, and it lasts about a month. Now you can control everything through the app, including the floor mode, pro mode, eco mode, AI quick mode, platform mode, and custom cleaning. And it can also integrate with Google Home, Amazon Alexa, Apple Siri, and you can start cleaning, trigger the self-cleaning, check the battery status, enable the child lock, and all by voice. And that's the next level convenience for your full ownership. Now let's talk about power, because under the hood, this thing definitely is serious. We got 6,800 gallons of pressure per hour, 13,400 milliamp battery, and up to 10 hours of surface cleaning, and up to 5 hours of floor and wall cleaning, and it handles pools up to 3,875 square feet. So the AquaSense X isn't just about convenience, it's all about eliminating the maintenance. So if you want a true hands-free pool care, you hate rinse and filters, if you have a multi-level or complex pool layout, or if you want a long-term savings versus hiring a pool service, I think this system is going to make a lot of sense. Yes, it is an investment around $4,250, but when you factor in all the service costs, the time saved, and the hands-free operation, I think it can justify itself.
Let's go ahead and see inside of the filter. Of course, you have it around it, but inside, that's very, very clean. After the cleaning cycle, self-cleaning cycle, this thing is very, very clean.
So if you are interested, make sure that you use my exclusive code TechUtopia in the description box to get an additional discount. And don't forget that this model also comes with a 3-year full replacement warranty, so you can purchase with confidence. And let me know in the comments below what's one thing that you still hate about the current pool cleaning routine that the AquaSense X could solve. Thank you guys for watching, like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.